Hi, there are 6 different ways to create a thread in C++. Let's see each way one by one. So first way is to using a function pointer. Here we are using a normal function that accepts string parameter. Okay, so in the main, when we create object of this thread, we can pass this normal thread function as an argument, and to pass this parameter, we can also pass a value of this value of the this parameter. Okay, now the thread class accepts a function pointer to create a thread. The another way is using a static function. Here we have a sample class. Consider I have a class thread, and inside that we have a static method. That static method also accepts a string parameter. In the main, when we create an object of this thread, that means we want to use this static function as a thread. We can create object of this thread and pass the address of this static function using this a scope resolution operator, like generally we do is in a static function, and we also need to pass argument of this static function. In this way we can also create a thread. Another way is using a function object. That means we have here one class. Consider this is a thread class, and we create a functor. That means we overload the operator, this calling operator bracket. Okay, and we also pass argument. We have also string parameter here, and while creating a thread we need to call this functor and pass this argument. With this we can also create thread. Another way is using a lambda function. That means we create a lambda function with string parameter. Consider this is the sample lambda function with the string parameter, and this lambda function is behaving as a thread function. So while creating object of this thread, we just need to pass this lambda function and pass this argument here. In this way we can also create a thread. Another way is lambda function inline. That means while creating object of the thread, we can directly create lambda function and pass the argument if we want to pass any argument. In this way we can also create the thread. And the last way is using a member function. That means consider I have this sample class and I have a member function here, thread func, and I want to treat this member function as a thread function. So what I can do, I can here first create the object of this class, and when I create a thread object, here T is a thread object, I need to pass first this address of this thread function using a class. So here I am passing address of this my class and thread function and address of this object, and pass this argument here, this argument. In this way we can also create a thread.